Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to create a clustering algorithm using Power BI. The first thing is we create a Python visual, and then we start creating our clustering algorithm, which is k-mean clustering, and then we start predicting the labels using scikit-learn library. And basically, we start training the testing and wellhead pressure. You can choose any parameter you want. Let's populate these with all the parameters that are necessary for this model to be trained on. Once we have those parameters in place, we can start saving our values in the original table, which is called dataset with a column called label equals to labels, and we will do a small type change. Once we have this, we can start creating our scatter plot using Seaborn library. So we will set the data, we will set the X and Y axes, and once we have those, we can also set the color to any option we want. In this case, it's going to be the labels that are predicted from clustering modeling. Once we have those colors set, we can just click on run, and there we go. You have your cluster ready to use.